Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video, guys, is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna open up this new wig that I got together because I'm like all here for the real-time fun right now. Like this year, it's all about getting to know each other a bit more. You know what I'm saying? We're doing fresh out of the pack. Like it's in the FedEx box still, y'all. Okay, so this one is from OMGqueen, darling. And I've worked with them before in the past, so I'm looking forward to this wig. This is a very simple throw on and go vibe, y'all. Like, let me just tell you the honest truth right now. I love wigs. I love wig life, but I love for my wig life to be as easy as possible. So to be honest, all the gelling, laying my edges, having the bleach knots, all that stuff isn't what I want to do all the time. I love the feeling of my wig essentially being a glorified hat. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because it's lit, it's popping, it's where you want to be. V. You better stop. You better stop. Okay, so in the pack, we've got the wig, of course, a cap. Oh, and a baby hair edge comber. You guys, I was just saying this 2 videos ago when I was doing the slick low pony video. Click right there to watch it. Boom, boom, you want to? You want to. Yeah, that I needed one of these. So thank you, OMGqueen, for hooking your girl up. So this is their silky straight 20-inch, y'all. Guess what? With bangs. Bang, bang. Who shot you down? Honestly, y'all, I wanted to do something a little different. Like, tell me the last time I had this silky straight long hair. And tell me the last time I had like straight bangs. I feel like I want to be mysterious. And the hairline looks really good though. Look at the hairline here. Look at it. It's already pre-plucked and it's looking pretty natural. Even though I'm not gonna need that because I'm just gonna cut off this lace and plop her on. Who are you? I don't know who you are. Girl. Guys, as funny as this looks right now, I think I'ma be feeling her, okay? I'ma be feeling her. La la. Yo, I'm already excited about this and I haven't even done nothing yet. Cause we're gonna fix up these bangs so that they're the right length for my face. So let's get some of this hair back. For my size forehead, my face shape, it's obviously way too long. I like to play with them being just below my eyebrow. So right now the wig is sitting like right on top of my hairline. And we're gonna go for, yeah, just right there. That way this wig will be all about not wanting to really do my hair but still be cute and not have to worry about doing my eyebrows. I have not had straight bangs, y'all, since like, do I want to say high school? Oh my God, it's been like too long probably. Like guys, I'm pretty old, okay? So sometimes I don't really want to revisit like high school looks, which is why like for me doing that low ponytail was also like the first time in so long because I hadn't really done like a side part pony since like high school. But lately I've been like, whatever, I'm revisiting. I'm sorry guys, we had to do a quick location change because who was I kidding? I can't do my hair like that. So we back in the mirror, moments in the mirror with Makeba, real time, here we go. We're putting some foam up here, swathing her down. I'm just flattening this down. I'll tell you right now, I knew I needed to put water on it from the beginning, but I was like, it should be okay. Like shortcuts, ultimate lazy mazy, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna dry it down, make sure all of this is flat so I can really get an accurate cut on my bangs. So as you can see, there's some guys that want to join the party that weren't originally a part of the bangs. You see how much more accurate this looks right now? You can really see what's going on. Let me just tuck that behind my ear to get it out of the way. Any of my hairstylists out there know when you are cutting straight hair on the regs, your clothes, just your bra, everything, it just becomes a disaster. So this hair obviously has like a bit of a natural wave to it slightly. Like it's straight hair, but it still has a little kick in it, which is why like this part is drying on this angle on this side. It's coming together though. I'm gonna take the razor a little bit, but I'm not really like, they're not as heavy as I thought they'd be. We just wanted to frame our little eyes. Team Little Eyes, where you at? These little bad boys are so good to have for thinning out, you guys. And of course, they're just at your local beauty supply store. It's the time for the flat iron to start testing out some more and seeing what we want to do here. Yes, it is. This is giving me Selena's vibes. Don't make me put on my Selena shirt right now. Right now, honey. Right now, I'll put on my Selena shirt. Ooh, we looking mysterious, y'all. We looking mysterious. Like, I don't even know who she is. Like, oh, kill them. All right, let's flat iron the rest of this now. In real life, I don't mind the, like, little wave that it has right now. But I feel like on camera, I don't know if it's transcending the same way. See, I get silky straight hair and then I don't want to straighten it. It's like, why? Why am I always looking for texture? For the sake of a change, we'll do some straightening right now, because y'all already know texture is my thing. I always have texture. This is the straighter side. She's so serious in life. This girl's like, she's boho. You know what I'm saying? She's kind of boho. She's a little bit 70s bang. This girl's like, bottle service. Where the man's at? You know what I'm saying? Where the man's at? Although I'm a Gemini and in between this girl, because you know the wolf pack be out sometimes like, ah, where the bottle's at? Ah. And then I'm just here for a good time. Sometimes flowing in the wind, you know what I mean? Who should win? Bottle service wolf pack or free spirited hippie here? It's a straight wig. We're gonna go with bottles. Oh God, I don't know. Just vote. Just vote. Who should come back? I'll do this right now, but who should I wear more often? You know what I don't like? Flat ironing my own hair. I do not mind doing other people's. I think it's enjoyable, it's therapeutic, it's all those things. But something about flat ironing my own hair, it's just not very fun. Can one of you guys come over and just do it for me? Let's have a night. You gotta see what Daniel thinks. He loves short hair on me. So I highly doubt he's gonna be like, yeah, I like it. I love it. Like, he's not gonna love this. He'll be like, that's cool. That's cool. I'm kind of feeling this right now. Shall we go back to the setup? You know what I'm saying? Where things look better because we're not just in my bathroom mirror with bad lighting. We going outside or what? Let's go. So tell me what you guys think. Comment below. Let a girl know. You know what I'm saying? I hope this looks as good on camera as it be looking right now in real life. What is her name? I feel like she is just gonna be a go-to for me now, because when I'm feeling like a straighter look and I don't want to have to think about my edges laid, just put her on and go. You know what I'm saying? The density on this is not thick. It's lightweight. Just throw her back, let the earrings show. Oh, or like a half up, half down. Also tell me which girl you think I am more of. This like super sleek straight look, or do you think I was more of like the hippie, have a bang but like slightly wavy, wispy in the wind? I'm always here for the wig life, guys. I love playing in different looks, seeing how they look, having different personas on the street and different names, honey, because why not? All right, guys, enough of me. This is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. As always, don't forget to hit subscribe, y'all, to join the tribe. It's poppin', it's lit, it's where you wanna be. Until next time, guys, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.